Meeting Parents. My name is Mr. Rondone. I'm going to be your student's calculus or trigonometry teacher for this year. All right. I'm just here for tonight to kind of give you an idea of what's going to be happening in class, how we're going to operate, and then some other things that are going to happen that maybe you can help facilitate the learning that's going to happen this year. So first things that you guys are going to want to pay attention to is how to contact me if there's ever an issue or you just want an update. My email is going to be the best way. You can access this email, or you can write it down now. It's always going to be on my Canvas. I'll show you where that would be anyway in a second, so you know exactly where to find it at all times. And if something happens with the email and we didn't get the situation resolved and we're having some more issues, then we're gonna we need to have a parent conference. That's always doable through guidance. So just contact the guidance department, either your student specific guidance counselor, and we will get you a meeting set up where it could be all three of us, myself, the student, and the parent, and that way we can get it situated, we get it resolved, and we can have a great year. All right. If there's ever an issue with some learning and there's some gaps and there's some missing days or something like that, I am available for tutoring, whether it's in my classroom or on WebEx starting at 7 a.m. in the morning. So that gives the student 20 minutes to figure out what they're missing and how they can get some help. And that's every morning. So every morning I just log into my WebEx and I just wait until someone joins, and then we'll go from there. Navigating Canvas. So I kind of want to show you guys what Canvas looks like so that you can get an idea of what your students will be doing every day. So this is my calculus class 1. It's in the student mode already. So most of your classes should look like this. All right, you have about the course. That's my syllabus. All right, there's assignments and due dates. That's going to be huge. And then if you need to contact me, you click on that. It'll have my email address again. But for the most part, most of the kids will be looking at the assignments and due dates. That's where they're going to find everything. If it's a virtual kid, there's my virtual classroom. They click into that. It sends them to my WebEx. And then there's where the WebEx kids need to be taking their daily attendance so that I can mark them here. Without that, I can't mark them here. All right. Navigating Canvas, assignments and due dates. This is huge. You can see that I click on that and it gives me what were their overdue assignments. Here are their upcoming assignments, and then there are past assignments. If they also click on modules, I've showed them this. Now it's broken down by the week. So this is what we did the first week of school. And then now I've even added the day we're doing it at that week. So you can see last Friday we started this, continue it on Monday, this Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we'll put up Thursday and Friday coming up soon. Okay, and that's the kind of things that we're looking at. So this is where they're going to get all their information so they can see what we did Friday and Monday if they were absent. I clicked on it. It's clicking. Ding, 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 ding. All right, so now what they see in here is they're going to, even if they're absent, they can see a video in which I did the lesson. They'll have their work, which is they're going to be their homework. And this one didn't have printed notes. So let's go check out one that does. Because I also have the notes they bring to class for the kids at home. So there's the printed notes. This is me going through them in class, the videos. And then there's going to be their homework, whether it's homework pages from the book that I took pictures of, that'll be in the notes. The homework problems will be in the notes. Or it'll be a worksheet which they're going to be able to complete. All right, so this is everything that these kids are going to want at all times. These assignments are great because it's broken down by day and by week, and it's got everything if they miss a day. Of course, the bell rings while I'm in the middle of video. So again, Canvas is huge for what we're doing this year because of the Connect kids that are at home combined with the kids that are here to face-to-face. And it makes it easier if a kid is absent now. He can easily go on and watch the videos without missing a beat. So even if he can't come to school. So there's Canvas. All right, so which is great. Now, some other questions I'll always get the parents or students to ask. How do we do grading in this class? Every class has the 9 weeks exam, which is 20%. And then test quizzes and assignments are pretty much split up evenly throughout my class. So it should be pretty easy to figure out their grades once it comes down to end of the semester, stuff like that. So hopefully this all makes sense. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. If you got further questions, don't be hesitant to contact me and send me an email. We'll get it figured out, and then we'll get the solution that's going to work best for your student. Hope you guys have a good night. Speak to you soon. Bye.